Ew.
Spicy.
Look.
What's up, guys? So today we're gonna try this spicy noodle soup. Like it says, it's Korean, product of Korea. So pretty spicy, guys. So we're gonna see how this goes.
We've already cooked it. This is what it looks like. We got our water to help us.
Red.
And we're gonna jump in. I have a little bit of juice in mine.
Yeah, I got mine dry.
Right, so that's why the color's a little bit different. But I have my first bite.
Ready?
Ready. There's definitely heat. I'm feeling it.
Ooh. Ooh.
She's not a heat person.
I don't like spicy food, guys, but it's good. The crazy part is good, but it's spicy.
Mm-hmm. I want water so bad just because I'm thirsty, but let's see who can. Let's go without the water. It's getting hot. Whew. All right, come in. You ain't gotta be so far out. Get a pic. Come on.
Ooh. Ooh. God, my chest is burning. My lips is burning. It's on fire.
She gonna need some milk.
You're lucky because you have some water.
If you can't eat it all, that's fine, because I really don't want you being sick, because we're going to be drinking some stuff, and you got to work in the morning. But we've been seeing a lot of people do this, try this out in the one spicy chip. I don't know if I'm brave enough to do that, so we ran across these today at the grocery store, and I was like, let's get it. So, my face is starting to feel like clammy. My mouth feel like I ate a hot pepper.
I feel lightheaded, guys.
Definitely feeling some sweat build up. We're doing our video challenge for the spicy noodles. Come on, you can come in.
I don't want them.
Woman,
I'm finna drink mine.
we about to drink too.
Don't touch this.
Ooh. Anyway.
This dropped. So don't open it because it will explode on you. Come over this way, Mac.
How you beat
On
me?
one guy.
Whew.
And look how much Mom
That's
has.
because you eat fast. You normally beat me eating anyway. But it's alright.
Woo!
You're lucky because
Got water.
she
I
won.
also got the vegetables in mine. She didn't put the vegetables in hers.
Whew. There ain't nothing like some ice cold fresh water, guys.
Whew.
Whew. To get that spiciness off your mouth and the tongue and your chest. Whew. Oh.
Babe, you got in the dark. You look like trying to.
My lips are burning.
All right, guys, later.